YouTube, welcome to episode 27 of the Side Hustle of the Day, and also the third time recording this video today. It's fascinating what you learn, even when you know certain softwares and you know how they work and you've been using them. I've been using this for this specific reason for 27 days, and somehow there's a latency, there was a gap in the audio versus the video. Nothing's changed. Same setup, same settings. I didn't mess with the settings, but yet I had to figure that out. So we're talking about retail arbitrage, kind of, but mostly we're talking about eBay flipping, video games in particular. Highlighting this one because it rings true to me for two reasons, or it's close to home. I used to flip games as a kid. We're talking 4th, 5th, 6th grade is when it all started. I would go to Kmart, Walmart, what have you, and I would buy Pokemon cards, Game Boy Advance games, Game Boy Color games, and I'd play them, I'd beat them, I'd go through them, and then I'd sell them at school to friends and people that I knew, and I'd make some money. And I always had money as a kid. Other relatives and cousins my age would be like, how do you always have money around? I was like, I don't know, 8, 9, 10, starting around then. And that was it. It was like in my DNA to buy stuff and flip it, especially, buy low, sell high, or even if you just bought it and you sold it because you weren't using it anymore. That was also rewarding. So Mr. Rodney here did just that. So he's a video game lover, loves playing games and trading games, and then started selling games on eBay. And he wanted to replicate the success he had from selling a few games, and took $200, went to Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay to buy some things that were clearly undervalued. It's like going to a flea market or a garage sale, finding those gems that you know are worth a lot of money or some money, and someone's just trying to get rid of them, or yeah, I'll take $1, just get it out of my face kind of thing, is awesome, right? So he started making money and then made a dedicated website for it. Let's show you here. We got pixelwarehouse.com, sells original Xbox, Sega, PS1, and so forth, Atari, old classic games that we all recognize, even some kind of weird consoles that I'm not familiar with. So check it out. It's in the description, pixelwarehouse.com. And from that, he's making anywhere from $500 to $800 profit per month doing this. So imagine you love video games, even if they're the old ones that look like dirt, but they have a special place in your heart. So you buy them, you play through them, you enjoy them, and then you flip them, you make some money in your pocket, and then make some more money to go buy some other games and then sell them online for a profit. It's a really cool idea. It's simple to get into. Just take a couple bucks, 50, $100 or so, $200 like he did, and then start researching the market, see what's selling, see when is a good time to buy, see when's a good time to sell it, and then make some extra money having some fun, playing some games if you're into it. If you're not, find the other thing that you're into. There's tons of people that I've been watching do the retail arbitrage game, which is all of a sudden really fascinating to me. I've been a Gary Vee fan forever, but it wasn't until recently watching people that I've talked about, like Bearded Picker, who just released another video yesterday, and Reezy Resells, who's been on Gary Vee's podcast. I think he made over $500,000 reselling books on Amazon. All these things that you would initially hear, and then I know a lot of people like this too, would just have such a just a disdain for what they're doing. Like, it's, I don't know, like they're just weirded out by it and they don't like it. They get a weird feeling, weird vibe from it. And what I say to a lot of them is like, you just think that feels too much like work and you don't want to do it. But Reezy Resells, for example, would much rather do that than any kind of 9-to-5 job you could offer him. So who's living the happier life? If you just want to try something and see how it goes, I would say start there. Video games, books, easy stuff. Research it. Learn about FBA. That's what I'm doing. I'm watching videos, and I'm potentially buying a course or two to see what the process is like and learn all the little nuggets information, like what apps and what Bluetooth scanners they use, and the processes that they use to ship, and the inventory labs and all that stuff. All these words that I kind of knew about but wasn't too familiar with. So anyway, that's today's Side Hustle of the Day, everybody. Go to sidehustleoftheday.com. Enter your email with me, please. Let's stay in touch. Comment down below what you got going on, or who you think has a really good side hustle going. You can follow me at RobGTV if you'd like, but make sure that you smash and or ever so slightly tap that like button. Give me the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're watching. I don't know why you wouldn't if you are watching this, but a lot of you do watch and don't subscribe. Let's change that, please. And then hit the bell notification. I upload Monday through Friday every day unless the missus is feeling ill, which is what happened on Friday. But we're back, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another episode with good audio. Nothing's messed up. I almost uploaded the audio that was kind of out of whack, but I was like, I can't do that. I got to fix it. I got to fix whatever that magically just stopped working, and redo the video for the third time today. So, not to mention the 12 that I did to test out the sound. Anyway, doesn't matter. Love doing this. I hope you guys enjoy the day. See you tomorrow. Peace.